Welcome to AdvantageLumber.com. Little known fact is that tropical hardwoods is not only beautiful and long lasting, but also really high performance. What do we mean by that? Let me show you. So here's a 1-inch 5/4x6 Kummerow board that we have installed it on a 3-foot on center span. And if you add 200 plus pounds on top of it, absolutely no deflection. What does that mean? That means that the product's over-engineered. You can go from a 5/4x6 full 1-inch to a 1x6 plus, which is a hair shy of 7/8, and you're saving $1 a lineal per board. So let's say a 1,000 square foot deck, you're saving over $2,000. Now that's the value that Advantage Lumber brings to your project. See you next time.